Hello, Namaste friends. This is Anupriya Rawat and today I am going to share my one of the best friendship stories with you all. And for that I am really thankful to the THS Academy and the Harrison Academy and the teacher who gave me this wonderful opportunity to share my friendship story with you all. So the title of the story is The Unfolding Friendship. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in our childhood, my best friend and I were inseparable. We used to do everything together and our laughter was our special code. We went to the same school and our friendship was strong. But things changed when we reached in the UKG. My best friend went to a different school and slowly we started spending less time together. And it was hard to share our daily stories. But the real change happened when her new school friends joined our playtime. They often talk about the things related to their school, and whenever I tried to join in, they used to tell me to stay out of it and not to get involved. It hurt, and I felt like I was no longer a part of our friendship. And it made me question what friendship really meant. Well, after that I made many new friends, but the bond we had was unique and I couldn't find again. Well, as we grew older and entered in our teenage years, I became more outgoing and I made many new friends who shared the same interest as mine. Well, for us, my best friend and I only remained friends and we also had different groups of friends. Whenever my best friend introduced me as a best friend, I wondered if I really knew her like a best friend should. Well, my friend easily made friends in her school and college and I was one of them. I always felt like something was missing. Whenever I see her, I remember our childhood and how things have changed. Well, our friendship may be different now, but it's still special. So, this is the story about the changes in friendship, how things evolve and what remains the same. Friendships has its own mysteries and they unfold in surprising ways, leaving us to wonder about the next chapter. So that's it. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you have a nice day and stay tuned. Bye bye.